This next herb is an interesting one. It's called Zhi Zi, and actually it's the gardenia seed, and it's a particular strain of gardenia that grows in China. This herb is oftentimes combined with other herbs, in particular one called mudan pi, which makes another duyao, which is an herb combination that makes it all the more effective. This particular herb is very cooling. So a lot of times when people have heat, in particular when somebody has heat in the liver, we've all seen those people who have a hot liver. They tend to be easily angered. They have a short temper. They're irritable. They oftentimes have a red face and red eyes, and they're very tense, lots of shoulder and neck pain. We say that their liver qi is stagnated so long that it started to heat up. So this herb, in combination with other ones, is very, very effective in helping to move that liver energy, smooth the liver, and also to cool it off at the same time. We also can use this herb as a compress for certain types of trauma, as well as internally we can use it for certain types of trauma. This is probably one that you want to work with your herbalist and make sure that it's properly prescribed in the right dosage, as well as with the right herbs to create a good Chinese formula for you.